Over 60% of people say their self-worth drops the moment they compare themselves to others online. Not after failure, not after rejection, just scrolling. Your brain sees a highlight reel and quietly decides you're less than. That decision feels personal. It isn't. You think your self-worth is based on facts, your skills, your results, how people treat you. But what if your brain isn't measuring reality? What if it's editing it, cutting out your wins, zooming in on your flaws, and calling that the truth? Let that sink in. Notice how your inner voice only speaks up when you mess up, not when you try, not when you improve, only when you fall short. Ever wonder why? You'll dismiss a compliment in seconds, but replay one awkward moment for years. You see someone more confident, more attractive, more successful, and suddenly your value feels negotiable, as if worth is something you earn, and you're behind on payments. Pause. Here's the uncomfortable part. That voice in your head, it doesn't want accuracy, it wants certainty, and the fastest certainty is self-blame. Your brain evolved to keep you safe, not confident. Thousands of years ago, being rejected by the group meant danger. So your mind learned a trick. Spot what's wrong with you before others do. It scans for flaws, magnifies them, and treats them as threats. That uneasy feeling when you think you're not enough, that's not insight. That's an alarm system misfiring. Add social media, constant comparison, productivity culture, and your brain starts confusing visibility with value. If others are winning loudly, you must be losing quietly. This is important. Your self-worth isn't dropping. Your reference point is shifting. Here's the part most people never hear. Your brain judges your worth using relative ranking, not absolute value, meaning you can objectively improve, grow, heal, and still feel worse because someone else appears ahead of you. Studies show people with higher achievements often feel less worthy once their comparison group changes. So, the problem was never you. It was the scoreboard. And here's the flip. Self-worth isn't something you build. It's something you stop calculating. The moment you tie worth to performance, approval, or attraction, your brain will always find someone who invalidates you. Always. Your brain isn't honest about your worth. It's protective, outdated, and easily hijacked by comparison. The feeling of "I'm not enough" isn't a diagnosis. It's a signal that your mind is using the wrong metric. If this hit uncomfortably close, say why in the comments. Not a quote, not a slogan, your real thought. And if you want to go deeper, watch the next video. This wasn't meant to motivate you. It was meant to wake you up.